Marshmallow. Hey everyone, I'm Lem. Welcome to my life. It's a chilly winter's morning. What could be more comforting and cozy than a nice mug of hot chocolate? I'm someone who grew up drinking neither tea nor coffee, so hot chocolate was my hot drink of choice. I've had massively varying experiences with it, ranging from this is essentially just milk to elixir of the gods. So I thought today I would see if I could make some nice Christmassy themed hot chocolates. First, you're going to choose your mug. The more festive, the better. Fill it with the milk of your choice. Warm your milk on the stove, or if you're lazy and impatient like me, bung it in the microwave. Now you're ready to add the chocolate. I'm going for the fail-safe, Cadbury's drinking chocolate powder. To add a bit of festive kick to the hot chocolate, add just a pinch of cinnamon, a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, bloop. And as it's Christmas, I'm also going to add just a little bit of vanilla sugar, which I got in Paris. Now you can adjust the flavours according to taste. Now for the whipped cream. If you're calorie counting, this is not the recipe for you. So we've got the cream, but now we need the cookies, and I have chosen German gingerbread cookies. Here's how they look. There's this lovely buttery, cinnamony smell that rises off them. All I'm going to do is break little bits off and arrange them on top of the cream mountain. Try to resist the temptation to eat the biscuits on their own, difficult though this is. In fact, I'm going to succumb right now. Add a sprinkle more cinnamon to complement the cinnamon flavour of the biscuits. And there you have it. Simple as can be. You only need a few ingredients. You have a delicious, warming cookies and cream hot chocolate. I've just come back from a Christmas carol service, so I've got another hot chocolate to unleash my creative desires upon. I think it's time we raid the advent calendar. Ugh, why is it always the bounties that are left? Okay, that has to be a joke now. Yes, my favourite. So grab your loot and chop it up small. Product placement. Apply approximately a metric ton of whipped cream. Choose your super duper special sprinkles. I'm going to pick fairy crystals. Whoa. Woo. And add your chocolate bits. Now that's a hot chocolate Buddy the Elf would be proud of. Now I'm going to show you one more way you can pimp your drink. First, we're going to make some adorable little marshmallow snowmen who are just going to look the absolute cutest when they melt to their hot fiery death. Take some massive marshmallow. I'd advise you to use the white ones unless you want your snowman to look like he's got a bit of a sunburn. I think we should stack him 3 marshmallows high and secure everything with a stylish kitchen cocktail stick. Let's add another for luck. Here's some Dr. Oetker gel food colouring, which I'm going to use to draw the features on my snowman's face, if I could open it. It's really not wanting to come out. What is going on? There appears to be a little mark. There should be a hole, so perhaps it just hasn't been perforated in the factory or something. Viewers, I am an idiot. Exhibit A. Snip end of tube with scissors. Well, that's what I was going to do anyway. Doesn't count as stupidity if you were going to do it anyway. Alright, so. This might look terrible, but it is very therapeutic. Happy Halloween! I'm going to give this the semblance of being marginally, vaguely, in some part of the universe healthy by adding mixed fruit. Oh my god. This is not what I intended. As I was saying, we'll get the little snowman, place him on this little... I just put my fingers in his eyes. What I'm planning to do is take a little bit of candied orange peel, a touch of icing, then apply this as his little carrot nose. Hey! I'm also going to add raisins as his buttons. If you're feeling a bit extra, what you can even do is take a cake pop mold, fill it with whipped cream, bung it in the freezer, and take them out when you're ready to go. Those dissolve beautifully in hot chocolate. Next, we're going to make a marshmallow polar bear. Take your fat white marshmallows, but this time you're only going to need one. What you'll also be requiring is mini marshmallows. I'll try and open these a bit more carefully. I've got bad news and good news. Bad is I've just tipped the cocktail sticks all over myself. Good news is I had a rummage in the kitchen and found some actual icing. So this is found to be much better for modelling purposes. Hope it's as sticky can be. So here's his little alien ears. The scary bit is applying these. Aren't they the best? I'm desperate to go around just gluing these on everything I see. Eye number 2, looking at you. I'm not sure I've seen any polar bears that look like that. Then again, I've never really seen a polar bear, so I think we're okay. A nice big black nose now, and there you have it, your little polar bear. Whilst you whip up your hot chocolate, put your creations in the fridge to set. So here's the whipped cream heart that I put in the freezer an hour ago, and that's already melted in a flash. Now to construct an iceberg. We appear to have run out of cream. No matter, we shall soldier on, popping our little polar bear and our friendly neighbourhood snowman into the drink. Icing sugar hides a multitude of sins, right? Having a nice toasty bath there. Alright, well that could all admittedly have gone better. But hey, we live and learn, and at the end of the day, we still have yummy hot chocolate to enjoy. Happy Christmas, Merry Lolmas, and Nadolig Llawen.